Welcome to the world of ERP software. Today, we will discuss what is SAP and what is ERP. Okay, so SAP is a German company and ERP is its software. So now what is ERP? ERP is an enterprise resource planning software, or it is a process used by some companies to manage and integrate the important parts of their businesses. The long form of SAP is Systems, Applications, and Products in Data Processing. SAP R3. R3 is a real-time third generation. It is a generation. So coming to the domain share of SAP in a market is 72%. Though these are some competitors of SAP, PAN, Oracle, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, and Marshall. But again, the domain share of SAP is 72% in a market. So it is highly used software. Coming to the picture, that is enterprise. Enterprise is a company where all the processes such as purchasing, selling, and manufacturing takes place. Resources. Resources are the sources which are very much important to run the business, such as money, men, machines, and materials. These are the 4 M's which are very much important to run a business. Planning is a strategy made by that company's owner to run the business with profit. By using these terminologies, these 3 terminologies, that is enterprise, resource, planning, the ERP software come into the picture. What is the need of ERP for a company? So company wants to integrate their businesses. So the ERP is used to run a smooth business. Online information at the corporate office. Suppose I am the owner of one manufacturing company and I want to access my whole business information sitting at one table. So this is used in SAP. SAP has given number of functionalities. On the basis of that functionalities, we can access each and every information related to the business in SAP of all types of departments. Suppose I have 4 plants. I want to access all the information related to that 4 plants. So I should have one standardized process to access all the information at the all locations. So SAP plays a significant role to access all the information at all locations. There are some benefits related to the ERP software. We will not have any material shortages. As we can see, there will be some material shortages in a manufacturing company. Productivity enhancement, customer service, cash management, inventory problems, and quality problems. These are some benefits by using the ERP system or ERP software we will get. Now, the main part, that is SAP, is statically divided into 2 parts, that is technical and functional. In a technical, the ABAP and basis part is there. ABAP is a programming language. The long form of ABAP is Advanced Business Application Programming. It is a programming language used by SAP to develop the functionalities. Basis is a software used by small scale and middle scale companies. And coming to the point of functional modules are MMSD, PP, HR, FICO, PM, SCM. MM is a material management, SD is a sales and distribution, PP is production planning, HR is human resource, FICO is financial accounting and controlling, and PM is plant maintenance. These are some functional modules which are related to SAP. Now, the point that is integration of modules. Suppose, let's take one example of a manufacturing company to understand the scenario of integration. Suppose I am the owner of one manufacturing company and I want to manufacture and I want to sell those manufactured products. Now, how will I get the information that what should be the sales? So my sales team will tell me, sir, this is the sales in today's upcoming days or today's upcoming months. So on the basis of the sales, production planning team will work on it. They will make the strategy for the production, and they will produce the quantities which are required or which on the basis of the sales. Now, here the integration of SD and PP is there. On the basis of sales, PP people or PP person will make one strategy for the production. Now, if there will not be any type of stock in a company, MM person will update those stock. He will generate PO for that materials, and the PO is given to vendor, and vendor will give the goods, will provide some goods to that company's premises, and the stock will get updated. After that, the goods receipt will be posted and the invoice will come into the picture. On the basis of that invoice, FICO person, that is financial accounting person, will generate payment for that vendor, and the cycle is repeated all the times. So this is the integration of SD to PP, PP to MM, and MM to FICO person. This is very important in SAP. Now, suppose Tata Motors want the implementation of SAP. So what will be the process? So this is the process of implementation. As you can see in the screen, there are main 5 steps for the implementation. So SAP Tata Motors will contact to SAP. They will buy servers from SAP. The servers will be development, production, quality. And the development server is given to some IT company. Let it be IBM. In the development server, IT team will develop some functionalities on the basis of 2 documents, that is as is and to be. In as is, what is the current scenario or what is the current process is present in a company, it will be calculated in as is. And to be, in a to be document, what will be the process after the SAP implementation. The roadmap is there. In the second phase, business blueprint, the roadmap is generated, developed, how the SAP implementation will be there. In the realization phase, the actual consultants are working. In a realization, consultant will contact the respective departments, and they will develop the customized software for Tata Motors. After that, the final preparation of the software will be developed and it will be given to Tata Motors for the production. In the production, the end user will work on it. He will enter the data such as creation of PO, creation of sales orders. And if there will be some problem to end user, support consultant will help to end user on the problems. He will solve the problems by using the ticketing tools. Okay, this is the implementation diagram as we can see in the picture. And after the training, there will be 3 roles. First one, SAP consultant. SAP consultant is sitting in IT company and he will work on the development for that customized software. He will develop some software, some customized software for Tata Motors. Support consultant. Support consultant will help to the end user for any type of problem. An end user will enter the data such as sales orders, quotations, creation of sales orders, creation of quotations. This is all about the SAP. This is the roadmap of SAP. Thank you.